Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. And welcome you all today, old and new subscribers, to this little easy, efficient less time and cost. This here, corned beef stew peas. Yes, corned beef stew peas. And in Jamaica we say bully beef. And all of you all who old time, long time Jamaican we say, I know we are say bully beef, some of us are. Some of us who don't even realize the correct name is corned beef. We say bully beef, and our thing is a Jamaican thing. And I know you're saying to yourself, what is Debbie saying? Bully beef stew peas, corned beef stew peas? Yes. This here is for the wife, the mom. You're a wife, you're a mother. You work, you have to take care of your family, and guess what happened? You're trying to get that degree. You're going to school. You are a mother and a wife, and you are working. But at the same time, you have to concentrate on the job. You've got to concentrate on school, and you have got to take care of the family. You have to put some food on the table that everybody no go out eating trash and all of that, okay? And also for you men who have the wife that is working, balancing school work and home. When you come home if you come home and she gone to school, you can get right in on this. Okay, y'all? Yeah. Now, we have over here some, right in camera girl, some red peas that has been cooking, that has been simmering down. Now, I guess you all, I thought you saw how we wash with stew peas. What we're going to start, we're going to notch our flame up and proceed to start sort of getting it a little mashed out, okay? And this is like about a cup of, or a little less than a cup of red peas that was pre-soaked and cooked. So we're gonna match our flame up, and we're gonna put in a little water. It was cooked with a pinch of salt just to get it tasty, and 2 pegs of garlic. So our flame is up and we're gonna get mashing, okay? Because the peas is cooked. And if you don't know how to get your peas so pre-soak and cook, I'm going to do for you all a video on it. So see, it's boiling. So we're going to sort out this little bully beef, corned beef stew peas. It's an easy thing, quick dinner, yet nutritious and efficient. This is for you all who eat, because some people don't eat corned beef. It's stew peas, you know. So you know, say spinners are for in it. So you have your spinners. It doesn't matter, as I told you. If they are attached to each other, as soon as the heat catch them, they will just sort out themselves. Them will get singled out. So it doesn't matter. You make your little spinners at a time and all of that. Right? We have here about a 1/4 cup or a little more than a 1/4 cup of finely. You try to chop the carrots now. Fine. We're going to put this thing together. Make this thing look like, you know, it's nutritious. Not looking nutritious, it's gonna be nutritious. So let me correct myself. Right here, I have some chopped scallion. You know that is a must. Some chopped onion. We have some chopped yellow and green pepper. And we have also some chopped scotch bonnet pepper. All of those going right in this nice little thing here. I'm gonna show you how you work up this thing. So y'all, we have a piece of fresh thyme. We're going to put it right in there because we're flavoring up. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. We're flavoring up this thing. We're going to put in a little more water because we want to get this thing going. Okay? Right here we have 2 pegs of garlic. I cooked it with some garlic, you know, but we're still going to flavor it up because the garlic can't too much, you know. You know, try to get yourself on the healthy path. So we're gratering this time 2 pegs of garlic. Stew peas is a must. We're gratering a little piece of ginger. And let me tell you something, family. If you smell it, camera girl, you smell it? Have you smelt it? She not eat this and she not eat that, you know, family. So she not care for food. She care for fast food. Okay, y'all? Now we have that, and we have right here some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So we're going to put a little bit in this thing here. Probably about half a teaspoon. Yeah, half, or probably a little less. But I would say half of a teaspoon. Because we're going to flavor up that something here. Yeah, and you see it's boiling. You see how colorful it is? So we're stirring because we want to get some body. The peas is properly cooked. So as you go and stir, remember in the original stew peas, I show you to mash some of the peas so you can get that thickness. You want to get that thickness, that stew thing. So we're not putting any cornstarch in this thing here. You understand? We're not mixing no flour, put in it, okay? We have spinach and we have the peas cooked soft. So that's how we're gonna roll, okay? We have a little black pepper, just a small amount, not a lot. Okay, y'all? We're putting this thing together. Right here we have ketchup. We're gonna put about a tablespoon and a half of 1.5 tablespoon of ketchup. We have right here some soy sauce, and try to use the soy sauce that is thick, not those that when you shake the bottle you just see the plain bottle. You see how long when you shake this it takes for the bottle to come. When you do it like this, when you pour it like this, it has a little body, not a lot, a little extra color and also flavoring. Try to use one that has a little flavor. So hello, this is what it looks like. So we have all of this incorporated. So what we are gonna do right here and now, you know, as usual, you've got to taste. All good cooks, you've got to taste. So you see it coming to already. Look at it, y'all. So we're gonna taste here for some flavor, okay? And I know it's there, but I'm just gonna do it. Man. So what we are gonna do at this point, we are going to cover our skillet, yes, and we are now gonna come right down to low, yes, to low, and we are gonna leave this for another 15 minutes. Let the carrots get a little cooked, let the spinach cook. I told you they are to be properly cooked, and everything gel together. When we come back, I'm gonna show you how we turn out. We can't beef in it, how it looks, the finished product, and what we're gonna serve it up with. Okay, y'all?